Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Are you tired of fighting the same weeds every single season? Pulling them out one day only to see them pop right back up the next? What if I told you there's a way to have your plants do the hard work for you? Today, I'm sharing 12 amazing ground cover plants that not only look fantastic, but also spread fast to block weeds naturally. No harsh chemicals, no constant maintenance, just beautiful, effortless landscaping. Ground covers are seriously one of the smartest upgrades you can make to your garden. Think about it. They protect your soil from the elements. They help reduce erosion on slopes, and they retain precious moisture so you don't have to water as often. But best of all, they form a dense living mulch that crowds out those pesky weeds before they even have a chance to get started. So let's jump right in and explore 12 powerful ground covers and figure out which ones will grow best in your yard. First up, we have Creeping Jenny. If you have any moist or even wet areas in your garden, this plant is your best friend. With its vibrant chartreuse-colored leaves, it fills in spaces incredibly fast. I love using it near ponds, along stream beds, or in any low spots where water tends to collect. It creates this brilliant carpet of color that just lights up the area. Next on our list is bugleweed, also known as ajuga. This one is a weed-blocking champion. It forms a super thick, dense mat that very few weeds can penetrate. As a bonus, it produces these gorgeous spikes of purple-blue flowers in the spring that are just stunning. It's an excellent choice for slopes where you need some erosion control. And it thrives in partial shade, making it really versatile. Now, if you want a massive burst of color, look no further than Creeping Phlox. This plant is an absolute showstopper in the spring. It gets completely covered in a blanket of pink, blue, or white flowers. It's perfect for sunny borders, cascading over retaining walls, or tucked into rock gardens. It loves full sun and creates a breathtaking floral display that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Number 4 is a personal favorite for tough spots, stonecrop or sedum. This plant is the definition of hardy. It's incredibly drought tolerant and seems to thrive in hot, dry, sunny areas where other plants just give up. If you have a problem area with poor soil or intense sun, stonecrop is your answer. It comes in a huge variety of colors and textures, so you can get really creative with it. For those shady corners of your yard, let's talk about sweet woodruff. This is a classic choice for a reason. It's a delicate, gently spreading plant that does wonderfully under large trees or in woodland gardens. It has these beautiful, star-shaped leaves and dainty white flowers. And the best part? When the foliage is crushed or dries, it releases a lovely sweet scent, almost like fresh-cut hay. At number 6, we have brass buttons. This is a fantastic low-growing option if you want to add texture without adding height. It forms a dense, fern-like mat and gets its name from the tiny, button-like yellow flowers it produces. It's perfect for filling in the gaps between pavers or along the edges of a pathway, creating a soft, textured look. Speaking of pathways, number 7 is Creeping Thyme. This is one of the absolute best walkable ground covers you can plant. It can handle light foot traffic, so it's ideal for planting between stepping stones. Every time you walk on it, it releases this wonderful herbal fragrance. Plus, it's a huge favorite for bees and other pollinators, so you're helping the ecosystem too. If you're dealing with a larger slope and need serious erosion control, check out Creeping Juniper. This evergreen ground cover is a workhorse. It offers year-round color and texture from deep greens to silvery blues. It requires almost zero maintenance once it's established. It's a fantastic long-term solution for covering large, difficult-to-mow banks. Number 9 is a fun one, wild strawberry. This is a native ground cover that spreads quickly to form a lovely green carpet. And yes, you guessed it, you actually get tiny edible berries from it. They're a tasty little snack for you or the local wildlife. It's a great choice for naturalized areas or informal garden spaces where you want something productive and pretty. For a bold statement in the shade, you can't beat hostas. Their large leaves are the key here. They create such a dense canopy of foliage that they literally shade out and suppress any weeds trying to grow underneath. They come in an incredible array of sizes, colors, and leaf patterns, making them a cornerstone of any shade garden or woodland landscape. Next up, a plant that's making a huge comeback: clover. Clover is fast spreading, incredibly resilient, and it's an eco-friendly powerhouse. It's a nitrogen fixer, which means it naturally fertilizes the soil around it. It stays green even in dry conditions and provides a valuable food source for pollinators. It's a fantastic, sustainable alternative to a traditional grass lawn. And finally, number 12 is Dehandra. Known for its soft, round, kidney-shaped leaves, Dehandra creates a lush, velvety, carpet-like ground cover. It's absolutely beautiful between stepping stones or used as a lawn alternative in smaller, low-traffic areas. It gives your garden a really soft, serene, and luxurious feel. So there you have it, 12 fantastic ground covers that work smarter, not harder, to keep your garden beautiful and weed-free. Using these plants is such a simple, natural way to reduce your garden chores while seriously upgrading your landscape's health and appearance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know which ground cover you rethinking about trying first. Thanks so much for watching. Contain your life, and I'll see you in the next one.